Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 2 raised to power 101 plus 8 divided by 16 raised to power 13 plus 4 raised to power 14 plus 8. So how we will solve this question? We will solve this as we can write 101 as 2 raised to power 98 plus 3, and 8 can be write as 2 raised to power 3. Then 16 can be write as 2 raised to power 4 and the whole power is 13, plus 4 can be write as 2 raised to power 2 and the whole power is 14, and plus 8 can be write as 2 raised to power 3. Now we will solve this as this will become, we will split this power, so 2 raised to power 98 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3, and divided this by 2 raised to power 52 plus 2 raised to power 28 plus 2 raised to power 3. Now we will solve this further as we will write 2 raised to power 3 as common. So remaining is 2 raised to power 98 plus 1, and divided this by 2 raised to power 52 can be write as 2 raised to power 49 plus 3, and 2 raised to power 28 can be write as 2 raised to power 25 plus 3, and this will be 2 raised to power 3. Now in the denominator we will also take 2 raised to power 3 as common. For this purpose we will split also this power. So 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 98 plus 1, and divided by 2 raised to power 49 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 25 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3. Now take 2 raised to power 3 as common. So remaining is 2 raised to power 98 plus 1, and from this we have 2 raised to power 3 as common. So remaining is 2 raised to power 49 plus 2 raised to power 25 plus 1. So 2 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 3 are cancelled out from this. So we get as 2 raised to power 98 plus 1, and divided this by 2 raised to power 49 plus 2 raised to power 25 plus 1. So now we will solve this further. It will become, now we will make a supposition here. Let's suppose 2 raised to power 25 equals x. Now for the other one, 2 raised to power 49, that equals 2 raised to power 50 minus 1. So this can be write as 2 raised to power 50 into 2 raised to power minus 1. That means 2 raised to power 50 means 2 raised to power 25 into 2 divided by 2 raised to power 1. So we get this as 2 raised to power 49 equals 2 raised to power 25 is x. So x square by 2. This is the 2 raised to power 49. Now that means 2 raised to power 98 means we will multiply 2 raised to power 49 two times. So this will become x square by 2 into x square by 2. We get x4 by 4. Now we will substitute these values inside this equation. So we get 2 raised to power 98 equals x raised to power 4 divided by 4 plus 1. And in the denominator we have x square by 2 plus 2 raised to power 25 can be write as x plus 1. So we will solve this further as this will become equals, by taking the LCM we get x raised to power 4 plus 4. So we will write this as x raised to power 4 plus, by taking the LCM 4 and divided by 4. And from this we will take the LCM and get x square plus 2x plus 2. So this will become x raised to power 4 plus 4 divided by, this will be, because this is divided by 2, so 2 and 2 are cancelled out, so we get only 2 into x square plus 2x plus 2. Now this will become as, we will write here x power 4 plus 4, and we will add and subtract 4x square and minus 4x square and divided by 2 into x square plus 2 of x plus 2. So we get this as x power 4 plus 4 plus 4x square, as this will become as x power 4 is the square of this and 4 is the square of 2, and 4x square can be write as plus 2 into x square into 2 and minus 2x2 and divided by, this will be x square plus 2 into x plus 4. So this will become, we will write this here, we get this as, this will become the square of x square plus 2 whole square minus 2x2 and divide this by x plus 2, this will become x plus 2 whole square. So we will apply the formula of a minus b whole square here. So we get x square plus 2 minus 2x and the x square plus 2 plus 2x, and in the denominator we have 2 into x square plus 2x plus 2. That means this and this term are cancelled out and we have remaining value of this is x square minus 2x plus 2 divided by 2. So this is the remaining value. Now we will recall this as, we consider 2 raised to power x equals 25. And the value of x is 2 raised to power 25. So, in this we will substitute the value. So, we get x square as 2 raised to power 25 square minus 2 into x mean 2 raised to power 25 plus 2 and divided by 2. So this will become 2 raised to power 50 minus 2 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 25 plus 2 and divided by 2. So this is 2 raised to power 50 can be write as 2 raised to power 49 plus 1 minus 2 into 2 raised to power 25 and plus 2 divided by 2. So 2 is taken as common from this and we have 2 raised to power 49 minus 2 raised to power 25 plus 1. So this is the remaining because 2 is taken as common, so this will be the cancel out. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.